Chapter 15 Lanka. Overjoyed at having gained his prize, Ravana dragged the Princess Sita to his Vamana, a flying vehicle. The Vamana took off into the air, and Sita looked down in terror as the ground moved further and further away. But Sita's screams attracted the attention of a noble creature, Jayatu, the king of vultures. Jayatu flew up to the craft and saw the terrified Sita and the malevolent Ravana. Instinctively, the noble bird attacked the demon king, cutting into the demon's flesh with his razor-sharp talons. But the bird was no match for Ravana. The king of Lanka cut off his wing and sent the bird hurtling down towards the forest floor, many miles below. Tears streamed down Sita's face as Jayatu fell, and her home disappeared into the distance. She desperately thought of how she might send signs to Ram and Lakshmana of her dire predicament. Sita's heart sank even further as the sight of land then disappeared, and the craft soared over the ocean. After some time, Ravana's craft arrived at the city of Lanka. The demon king's demeanor turned much more pleasant and charming as he proudly showed off his kingdom to the princess. Situated on a golden island in the midst of the ocean, the city shimmered with palaces adorned with precious gems, walls inlaid with gold, and towering spires that reached towards the heavens. The streets were lined with lush gardens filled with exotic flowers. Massive gates, guarded by fierce rakshasas, led to the heart of the city, where Ravana's opulent palace loomed, a fortress of dazzling splendor. Silver staircases wound through halls of polished marble, and intricate carvings of divine beings and legendary battles decorated the walls. The city was alive with the sounds of drums and conch shells, the chants of sages, and the roars of demons preparing for war. Bridges of gold arched over flowing rivers, and chariots drawn by magical beasts glided through the air. Despite its beauty, Lanka held an air of foreboding. Beneath its enchanting facade lay a kingdom ruled by fear, ambition, and Ravana's unchallenged might. As the demon king's craft descended into his palace, and they stepped out into the marble courtyard, Ravana raised his arms and professed his love to the Princess Sita. "Princess, I watched you from afar, and have fallen madly in love with you. Marry me, and you will be queen of all that you see." Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.